Quality is important for many reasons. If we don't have good quality product, we lose customers. Even the torque, as much as the torque checks here, making sure our torques are in spec. For example, this right here, if I have a low torque, I could sink a boat. So, quite important. No quality, no job.
Quality, safety, and continuous improvement go hand in hand, and really seeing people being engaged in it and proud of the work what they do.
Everybody here really cares about each other. If you need a hand, all you got to do is ask the person beside you if you're unsure. You know, everybody's really helpful here. I mean, you don't meet a stranger. We're in the South, you don't meet a stranger anyway, but I mean, everybody is helpful. They don't care to jump in and you know, give you a hand.
It really makes me proud to work for a company who keeps the community in mind, not only just employees here, but the community around us.
I take pride in it. When I'm out on the river, well, you know, I run across all kind of strangers. People pull up down there in their boats, and I asked them, I said, you know, what kind of unit you got in that? You got a Volvo? And, you know, they get telling me a lot of times, yeah, it's a Volvo. And, you know, I told them, well, you know, I probably tested that motor in that boat, you know, but I take pride in my work, you know. Build a good quality product, you know, you're gonna have plenty of customers.